In this masterclass, I'm going to teach you how to find your rhythm, the fundamentals of percussion and drumming, and how to perform with a band. Some funk beats can be a little more complicated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's still in time, but it makes it funky. Come on, pick up an instrument, do something, play, and enjoy yourself and make it fun. Because when you know what your passion is and what your purpose is, and you go for it, no one and nothing can stand in your way. I'm Sheila E., and this is my masterclass.